Look at this. Driftwood. Ayan guys, yung lake. Tapos yung sun nagro-reflect doon sa lake. Look. There you go. See, let's go. Hi guys, good morning! Pahit ang buhok ko saglit. So guys, tingnan nyo ang kagandahan ng nature. Napakaganda talaga. So, kung mga adventurous kayo, ayun guys yung lake. Tumaas na yung sun. We're going back sa campsite natin. Nakakuha din ako ng driftwood. Look, pakita ko pa yung driftwood. Tingnan nyo guys. Look. Pwede ako sa ganitong driftwood kasi I put this in the daycare. Morning! Look at that dog. Beautiful. Ay! I'm gonna show you this guys. Look. May nakita akong bomba dito. Tapos, ang ganda ng bomba dito. Tapos, hindi matigas.
Wow!
Magpa-video okay pa. It's not safe for drinking water. Ang lambot. Matagal siguro lalabas yung tubig nito. Baka kailangan lagyan ng tubig para binubuhay. Kailan kayo lalabas ang tubig nito? Nakilap ko na. Ayan na, ah. That pinubuhay muna pala siya. Look at that. There's flowing water. Oh, kasi dyan mapalaba. Yan na yung mga labahan nyo dyan, guys. Maglalaba ako. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, guys. Look at this. Oh, there's dogs. Campsite natin. Dito ako dadaan kasi kunyari, ako, into the woods ang drama ko. Maganda namin campsite. Meron kaming kasamang dalawang bear. Asa na kayo, guys? Hey! May dalawang bear kaming kasama. Hi! Ito ang paligid ng campsite namin. Sabi kasi nila, may mga bears daw na dyan. May mga berries daw kasi dyan. So, they pick berries. And I would be happy if I can see one. Kahit from afar. But I feel like I'm kind of a little bit scared. Kahit paano. Ang ganda, no? Ang pangit ng buhok ko. Maliligo pa lang kami, guys. Sorry naman. Ayan, ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. So, dito daw, may mga nag-ano daw dito ng bears. But, since nakakarinig sila ng mga tao, so, they don't really go. Hindi kaya may nanonood sa aking bear. Diyos ko, ang buhok ko super oily. Ganito talaga, guys, ang camping. So, ngayon, right after ng breakfast namin, we're gonna take a shower and we will go to Canmore. We're gonna visit Canmore. Ang ganda ng view, oh! That's beautiful! My goodness. Ayan. Shoutout sa mga nature lovers dyan, guys. Ayan. Thank you, Lord, for creating this beautiful nature. Ganda. Perfect. Ayan guys, mag-breakfast muna kami doon. Hindi pa tapos kasi we're preparing food dun to para mag-travel kami papunta ng Canmore. And they're so beautiful. Pamansang baon.
Breakfast.
Hot dog for life. Eggs, bacon, and sausage. Breakfast time. Kakain na kami.
Isa pa nakasama ko sa video.
Yay! Thank you, Dian, for getting this soup. Okay, good morning, guys. Kain tayo ng marami kasi So this time, this is the that's the washroom na dinadrop by namin kasi yung campsite wala talagang totally washroom. Meron din but it's only for peeing. So ayan, diyan kami actually first time namin maligo. First time namin maligo since nag-start yung camping. So that's the washroom. Each campsite merong parang pang pipi lang at pang pupup.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Ba't di siya nagulat? What's up, yo? What's up, guys? This is the last day of our camping. Inulan kami kagabi, pero di naman kami basa. Yung sasakyan lang talaga yung basa. And yun lang, nagpe-prepare na ng breakfast. And we're still here inside. It's a little bit cold, but not totally. And that's it. And she's still sleeping. She doesn't want to get up. And me too.
Bye.
And guys, I'm preparing breakfast outside. And I'm still here sa tent. Maganda dito nakahiga. Pangatlo naming site. Nakatatlo kaming site kasi wala nga pong available. So, it's the same thing. Maraming kahoy. May empty spot for that fire thing and the tent. Ito medyo maluwag-luwag to. Halos lahat naman napunta namin magaganda. Yung second, yung type na type. Medyo umulan kagabi dito. Hindi, siguro mag-uumaga na. Tingnan mo, basa yung bench. And this one too. Buta na hindi malakas. Kasi dapat meron pang anong tawag dito? Trapal. Naglalagay ang iba ng trapal kasi just in case umulan. Hindi mababasa yung tent nyo sa Hindi pupunta yung water dyan. So ayan, ang cute ng tent Tapos, yan yung loob namin. So, ayan, merong higaan. So, 4 persons. Relax na relax ang matulog dito. But I think, kasya dito ang 6 siksikan. 6 na siksikan. So, yan guys. This is our last day. Mag-say goodbye na tayo. Preparing na for breakfast. There you go. So, this is our last day in the woods. Into the woods. Last day ng pagiging organic looking namin. minsan pag may mga bear na dumadaan dyan. So, you just have to be very careful. Wala dapat na maiwan ng mga foods sa tent nyo before you sleep. And when you go somewhere for a hiking, wala dapat maiwan except for that. Kahit okay na kahoy maiwan, but not all certain foods or basura. There you go, ayan guys. Pangit ang itsura ko. Ayan guys, see you, bye! Panghuling araw natin dito sa woods. So, babalik na tayo sa syudad. We're heading guys to Edmonton na. So, ayan guys. Tapos na po yung adventures natin and probably see you next year! See you next year again for camping and interacting with the trees and the natures and everything. So, ayan. Hope you like the video guys that I'm gonna make for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And see you! Bye!
Bye!
Look. Hi! Hi! Ka! Ayun guys, asan na yun? Deer ba yun? Pau?
Di ko man nakikita.
Ayun guys, look. Hey. Say bye!